You see this lady right here, Lisa Anna, me did respect her to the core, but now me respect her infinity. Big up to her for the tremendous job that she's doing in response to this hurricane relief effort. Much love, Lisa, and I use a true patriot. You is the definition of what a Jamaican, lady, woman should be. Helping the needy in the time of crisis. And I do not want to sound like a sour lemon right now, but the PNP back then in 2020 make the wrong choice. The worst decision that the comrades them has ever made is to vote you out and choose Mark Golding over you, because at the moment we are not seeing where's Mark Golding. Or we're not seeing Mark Golding, doing things like this.